Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's have some very quick fun. Stay tuned. So we have spent some time crafting with these absolutely gorgeous file folders. And today we're still going to file folder craft, but we are going to switch gears just a little bit in style. So today we are going to go to the farmer's market and go all citrusy. We are going to use these absolutely gorgeous citrus themed file folders. I love them. And there's also a third one in the group that sums up everything. It says, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. So in today's video, you'll see these two being used, but you'll also see that lemonade one make an appearance in another video. But today, it's all about these two prints. And here is what we're going to be making, guys. So simple, yet so cute and so doggone effective. What is this? It's a little slider box, so it's open on both ends, and it's a slider. What do I have inside? Chocolates. Will these chocolates make it through the day? I don't think so, but they're in there right now, and they seem to be very happy, about as happy as I'll be once I eat them. So this sweet little box measures 5 by 3 and 1 inch deep, and it's got this sweet little drawer on the front that we just slide out, and it is so easy to make, and we are going to make this right now. So to make this project, we're going to need to cut down our file folder into 2 separate pieces. So you'll use a full file folder for this, but you will have quite a bit of scrap left. So don't throw it away, because y'all know we can use it. So we'll need a piece that measures 8.5 by 5 1/8, and we will need a piece that measures 7 by 9. So we're going to start with the 7 by 9 piece, and we'll score at 1 and at 2 on all 4 sides. And let's fold and burnish those scores. So then we will have 3 corner pieces that we will need to remove on all 4 sides. So the first thing I'll do is go up to the second score mark, drag down, and then I'll angle cut in, and I can go ahead and remove those 2. Angle here, and remove this piece. And I'll do the same thing over here. So I'll go up to the second score mark, drag down, angle in, remove those 2 pieces on the bottom, and then I can remove this piece. I'll do the other side, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once we have all of our tabs cut out, this is what we're left with. So now I can take my glue, place it on my tabs, and put my box together. So I'll just match up end to end, just like that. Use my bone folder to get that stuck down. And I'll do the same thing over here. I'll match it up and get it stuck down. Okay, so once we have our box put together like this, we need to place glue on the outer flaps, fold them in, and then get them stuck down. Okay guys, so now that we have the box made, we need to go ahead and make the slider cover for this. And I wanted to point out that I did have just a little bit of cracking, because that file folder was a lot thicker than the other one. So if you do have some cracking, just distress it a little bit and make it look like it's all a part of what you intended it to look like anyway. So to make the slider cover, we need to start with our 8.5 by 5 1/8 inch piece. The first score is at 3 1/8. The second score is at 4 1/8. Our third score is at 7 1/4. And our final score is at 8 1/4. Now all we need to do is fold this. And it'll go together just like this. So I am going to actually fold my glue flap on the outside because I don't want any extra bulk on the inside of this. So I'm placing my glue on the inside, and then I will take my glue flap right here and place it down. And then I can use my bone folder to just help that stay stuck down. And then I'm going to flatten it out just like this to really get that glue stuck down. Okay, so then once we have our slider made, we can take our box and just slide it on the inside. And it should have a nice fit so that it's not protruding on this end. And then you'll have just a nice little fit here so that you'll have space so that it'll slide in and out very easily. You don't want it too tight, otherwise you won't be able to get it in and out the way that you want it. So now what I have here is just a small scrap piece of the folder, and I'm just going to curve it, and this is how we're going to create that cute little handle. And then I'll fold this just like this, and then I'm going to glue it on there. But I am going to take off just a little bit of this because I don't want it to be as wide as it is. So now I will take my glue, place my glue right there. I'm going to slide this out so that I can put this down. And when I put it down, putting it down just like that, and it just gives me a cute little drawer pull that looks just like the rest of the box. So now I can put that back in. I am not going to pull this out yet because it's not completely dry, but you guys can see just how cute that actually is. And now all I want to do is just some very simple decoration on the top. All right, so I have this piece of ephemera, and it's really pretty, and it says extraordinary. And I am just going to place that down right there, just like that. And then I have this cute little butterfly brad, but what I did was I took the prongs off of the back, and I'm just going to stick that down right there. That we now have a second sweet little drawer. And again, you can see just how cute this is. Just like this one. They are just so stinking cute. And like I said, I just love the fruity look of this, and I think that they are just adorable. You could even stack these if you wanted to because they are so easy to make, y'all. So guys, I hope that you have liked this really fun and quick project. If you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys, have a great day. Please stay safe and happy crafting.